Meron ka bang pinagdasal sa Diyos na hindi ka tumigil sa pangungulit sa Kanya hanggang binigay niya ito sa'yo? Para sa mabungang buhay, tayo na po at magkapet pandasal. Jesus told a story about a friend who wouldn't give up asking for bread in the middle of the night, and eventually, he got what he needed. That's how our prayers can be. God isn't like that sleepy friend who's annoyed. He's a loving Father who wants to give us good things when we ask, seek, and keep knocking on His door. Just like that persistent friend, we're encouraged to be bold and keep praying, trusting that God hears our urgent needs and will respond in ways that are truly good for us. Kaya manalangin po tayo. Amang nasa langit, itinataas namin sa iyo ang pinakamalalim na mga hangarin sa aming mga puso. Nagtitiwala kami sa iyong pakikinig at pagmamahal sa amin upang hindi kami magsasawang kumatok sa iyong puso. Amen.